Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at making a Thomas & Friends bathroom. So firstly, definitely start with the colors. So here I had an old set of cabinets, and I actually repainted these in a blue color, which you can see kind of matches the Thomas blue. And then you want to basically deck it out with all of the Thomas & Friends stuff you can get. So let's see what we've got here. We've got a Thomas & Friends step stool here. Obviously this is a kid's bathroom, so step stool to be able to get up to the sink. We've got a Thomas & Friends toothbrush holder. The toothbrushes themselves, also of course Thomas & Friends, and a rinsing cup. So I've got that practical, definitely useful there. Then we've got the soap dispenser over here, Thomas & Friends themed. I like that this has this kind of modern looking design with the 3 different levels there and the speed of Thomas on that. Thomas hand towel, obviously over here. This is in my Moen hand towel holder I put here to be able to add this. Thomas & Friends Band-Aids from Nickelodeon. So if you do need that, any of these sort of self-care items that are Thomas & Friends, great to add. To add some decor before we get into this room, we've got these wall decals. I'm going to show a couple more of those in the shower, but this adds some nice kind of Thomas & Friends theming to some of the walls in the bathroom and entering into this other section. And these are removable if you do want to take them off, reposition them, or take them off later. And one thing that's nice about this whole setup is that even if you remove the Thomas & Friends stuff, this is still a really nice blue color, a nice gray on the walls. It's just sort of a classy big person bathroom, even without the Thomas & Friends items. But then when you add them, it fits the theme really nicely. So if this had to adapt sometime in the future, it's not, totally themed for that, but it's something where you can add those in and bring in the theme. Another thing I added here was these golden warm handles, and I like that these are brass and they kind of fit with the brass around Thomas's cab there. So let's move into the other room. Thomas & Friends shower curtain. This definitely brings the theme totally together here because you've got this giant Thomas, and I really like that this shower curtain is very vibrant, very colorful, kind of a modern look, and it's a nice, actually fabric. It's not like a plasticky shower curtain, so I think this brings the theme totally together. As soon as you walk into the bathroom, you just see Thomas looking at you there. Thomas child's robe on a robe hook. This is a Moen robe hook that I installed on the wall here. And then let's take a look. We've got a Thomas & Friends bath towel. Definitely good to have there. It's a child's towel with the hood on there. And then we can open up our shower area. This is where the decals are great too, because you can add this theming. We've got Thomas, Percy, James, another Thomas over on the other side there. And then you can add as many Thomas & Friends bath toys and other toys as you're able to get your hands on. So that's a look at my Thomas & Friends themed bathroom, how I put that together, and some of the items you can add if you want to make your own.